一人はちょっとオフラインみたいなので、メインメンバーが揃ったというところですいません、遅れましたが、始めさせていただきたいと思います。よろしくお願いします。南條美希さんが、メインで、説明していただきますが、そうか、日本側に内容を説明してもらえたな。一応、オリゴ顧客管理が中心ということでいいですよね、南條さん。Excel とかの、なんだっけ、
はい。
Excel とかのやつってこの間、ちら
Excel の取り込みしてないので、
じゃあそっちからやります
そっ
か、まず。
ち先にやりますか
あ、
ね。
はい。
はい。
わかりました。で、UAT は、ちょっともう3時間、3時間だって30分ぐらいかかりそうな話をしていて、今もダメだな。なのです。すいません。
ないから言っちゃいい
はい。
です。
はい。
はい。
それを踏まえた上でお願いします。
はい。
Okay, thank you for coming to the demonstration. And Miki-san will introduce the JP OMS focusing on importing Excel order sheet at first, and next using how to use the Origo or customer relation system, CRM, which has a lot of rules to check check an order, which is automatically confirmed or should be confirmed manually. So the Origo CRM has rules to judge an order. Anyway, let's get started. And
Yes, sir.
Nanjo san, okay. Are you ready, guys? Okay.
Yes, Raghu.
Okay. Okay. Let's get started. じゃあ、南條さんすいません。よろしくお願いします。
今見えてますかね、画面。
The screen is visible?
Yes, Raghu.
Okay.
今日は、これは今本番なので、ちょっと取り込みはテストの方にしちゃいます。
This is the screen for on production. So because we currently UAT is not available, so the importing orders will be done on UAT, but now the operation is done on production to show you correct actual actions, operations.
Okay.
Excel の取り込みはまず、フォームがこういう形で。
We are going to import Excel file to JP OMS. So this is the email order sheet template. Mixon is going to show you. This is an Excel order sheet. The one, okay. すいません。どうぞお願いします。
どうぞ、はい。
So please check the seat name, user information, currently spotted, and the second one is the sequence information. Yeah, this has Origo name and its sequence. So it can has also purification, 5- modification, 3- also, and delusion and remarks. So okay.
Sorry, Raghu.
Okay.
So basically, if we at all change the sheet names, will the JPOMS still be able to process, or it has to be followed the same convention?
If possible, this templates should be we need to follow this template because these templates are already spread over a lot of customers. So we don't want to ask them to replace with a new one. じゃあすいません。お願いします。これなんで赤くじが入ってんのとか。すいません。お願いします。
赤くなってるところが、ページが35から100なんですけど、 長さが足りないとか、
あ、なるほど。
ちょっと
条件に合わないところですね。
条件に合わないところですね。これは、はい、30文字以内にしてください、みたいな。
はい、わかりました。Okay, please check the red background. If some sequence not available for some rules like purification. So currently, number 8 oligo has PAGE purification, and then the sequence should have the length of over 35 between 35 and 100 months. Then the current sequence is shorter than its condition. So the red background is shown. So samely, the number 9 oligo it has a wrong invalid sequence. So samely, the next one, 10th oligo, it has a wrong name. Yeah.
So how will JP OMS treat those red colors, Rigo? Will it
Okay.
identify itself, or what will happen then?
I don't think it would identify it. I will ask her.
Yeah.
南條さん、これ、もし赤いのが出たときって、これマニュアルで一回直すというか、お客さんに聞くんですかね、これは
基
でき
本的
ませんとか。
にはで
はい。
きないものはお客さんに
はい。
返します。
うんうんう。
うんん、
ほ
ただ、
うほううん。
OPC で、例えば、10ナノモルだと70万まで
うん
なんですけど、71万だったりとかすると、
うん
場合によっては営業さんに確認したりとかして、変えちゃったりはしますけど、
お
57
わかり、
回目。まあ、基本的にはお客さんに、
うん
これはできないよって確認をしま
うん、
す。
わかりました。これもしこのままインポートし、受注システムの方にインポートしようとすると、まあ、条件が合わないので、なんかエラーを吐いたり、
そうで
なんか、
すね。
あ、わ
なりますね。なので、
かりました。
それで一回やってみますか。
そうですね。
は
ちょっと待ってくださいね。そのことを
い。
ちょっと
はい、大
伝えます。
丈夫です。
Okay, Amit, so each order sheet is checked by an operator before it is imported. However, if it is imported into JP OMS, JP OMS would censor the invalid sequences or invalid field. So the invalid fields are not imported, or in, instead of importing the error, what the messages will come up. No, she will demonstrate it. So let's see it.
Okay, okay.
じゃあ、南條さん、すみません。このままちょっとやってみてもらってよいでしょうか。はい。
で、Excel の取り込みをから。
Okay, so Excel icon on Excel iPhone, the menu is the open Excel is selected. はい、お願いします。Now she's searching for an appropriate file to import.
さっきの情報が
Okay.
ここに出ますね。
So on the left side, details are shown. And please compare the sheet and the imported information. 一応、はい。2つ比べる感じですかね。
左側に持ってきちゃった。
Okay, so left side on Excel file, it's a basic information on the document, and on the right side, the imported information, which is completely the same as content on Excel file. はい、一応同じという感じですね。はい。で、 右側に、詳細の、あれですかね、シーケンスとか。
あ、そうですね。
はい。
But
Okay.
Roigo, does it repeat 3 times on your left? I mean, we see same entry 3 times. What are they?
情報が注文者、出荷者と繰り返してるから聞いてますよね。同じのが書いてある。
この画面のこと ?Okay.
今ここ
oh,
ここが注文者、
はいはい
出荷者、請求者が、そ
そ
れぞれ
ういう
ここから情報を持ってきてます。
Okay. Sorry, I didn't understand it well. And so on the left side, at the top, a person who places an order, and the next one is ship to information, and the third one is distributor, and the billing information. So the currently a person who order and ship billing address, shipped address and billing address are all the same. So same information are inserted into the JP OMS.
Okay.
That's why. Yeah. Sorry, I missed the translation. はい、お願いします。
ここは、顧客管理にある名前で、ちょっといきます。
はい。So she selected a person who orders from 3, no 4, yeah. And so this information is in Origo CRM. The next, and this is a billing address. So she selected billing address. Yeah.
ビリングでってディストリビューターですね。
ごめんなさい、そうです。Sorry, distributor. Yeah. So sold by.
これが請求先ですね。
So this is a billing address. So this is a price. ちょっと待って。
はい。
その前のあたりで、前でいいですか？
はい。
This is billing address and so the selected radio button is invoice to a person who orders.
But basically, Roigo, the Excel file has only order details. It doesn't have the sold by, sold to, and billing details. So is it automatically picked up from CRM, or what is the condition there, Roigo?
The order sheet has only information, distributor information, and a person who orders. And when the JP OMS import them, then JP OMS try to identify. So maybe the search for the same name in the database, and late some candidates who are in the database. And at first, an operator selects a person who order in JP OMS, the same person, and the next agent name, from the agent name in Excel order sheet, the candidate. No, sorry. From the person who orders, it is fixed at first. Then the JP OMS lays a distributor which is assigned by the account.
So basically, Roigo, when the operator imports this Excel file to JP OMS, so Excel file has the details of the person who has ordered. So based on that details, JP OMS pulls those details, compares against the database, gets the distributor information, and shows this in the window.
Yes. So may I ask her
Yes,
about
yes,
it?
yes. Yes.
南條さん、これ最初に、Excel ファイルをインポートしたときに、最初に注文した情報を選んだと思うんですけど、これ、記入してある、いくつかの名前とか会社名とかあるんですけど、多分名前、
本来は、
はい
基本的にはこの名前
はい。
で検索をします。
あ、OK。なるほど。
ここに名前を入れて、ここに一致する人があれば、
ああ、すみません。手動でやってたんですね。
そうです、手動です。
すいません。ちょっとスキップして。
Excel の取り込みは手動ですね。基本的に。
わかりました。Amit, so at first when Mix-san imported the Excel file and the content of Excel file is shown on the left side. After that, on the right side, Mix-san input the name in the field. She's pointing. She's now pointing. And then she inputs the keywords and try to find the same account who orders. And so she Mixon selected the third one as a orderer.
Okay.
And after that, once order is fixed, it has distributor and details in the account information. So next, she is going to select distributor manually. So
Okay.
so on the right side, the distributor is written with this is Iwai Kagaku Yakushin and written by a customer. Then referring to it, Miki-san selected the second one, which seems to be the same. Okay, so the manually the information is picked up by one by one.
Okay.
Yeah. So on the wizard of the JP OMS application. じゃあすいません。これで、これが代理店ですよね。This is an agent. And next, what? Billing address. So billing address, this larger button means the same as an order. So yes, yeah. So it is fixed. And this is a price. So each account has a regular price as well as a price table, which is called a special price. So if the person account has a special price, then an operator will check the special price. So let me ask her, Miki-san.
Yes, sir.
この場合は特価が多分入ってるんですけど、この場合はあれですかね、注文の中身を見てやるのか、それとも、これは
基本的には、オリゴは価格は1つつけます。1つ以上つけてないと進めません。
はいはいはい。
で、最近は中身が定価だったりはするんですけど、基本的にはこの2つ、全部で3つ今出てきてますけど、こんな風に出てくることは少なくて、1個しか出てこないことがほとんどです。
わかりました。いますね。The price table usually is shown only with one candidate here, but this is not the usual. This case is not the usual. This case has three tables, but generally one account has one price table, so the one table will be chosen. However, in this case, this account is a test account, so this has three price tables. So the Mixon will take one from three and will go next. じゃあすいません。次に。はい。設定。
はい、設定は今何もしてないので、デフォルトで。
Setting is default is selected, so default is already selected. Shipping. Shipment, これは、
これは、顧客管理に作られたものが出てきます。
OK です。はい。で、上から、これ宅配って普通のやつですか？
これは日通ですね、普通の日通。
で、
あと、この他は全部入ってる。
OK です。Okay, so this is shipment. So this has 4 ways of shipment, and the first one is a Nitsu delivery service. But other 3 items are for motorbike delivery. So this customer has a special delivery service, and then of course a motorcycle delivery is very fast. So the special customers have this kind of special menus. So the generally some customers have motorcycle delivery, and the motorcycle will deliver an Origo product directly.
So this motorcycle is customer name Roigo or distributor name Roigo?
What distribute? So the 1, 2, 3, third column is delivery service name, and so you can see so 2 letters. It is called what? Delivery service. The what needs? This is not a need. Just
日通の
そうですね。
宅配。
Yeah, this is 宅配. It means needs delivery in Europe. Yeah.
It's a regular service in
Europe.
in Europe.
Yeah, Europe in Japan. And the other 3 motorcycle delivery. But each 吉田キャンパス、医科歯科って医科歯科大学？違うな。医科歯科のこのキャンパスによって違うってことなの？
キャンパスなり大学なりエリアというか。
わかりました。And motorcycle delivery has different areas. So based on the location, the deliveries motorcycle delivery will be selected here.
But my question is, what does motorcycle means?
Motorcycle means motorcycle is a delivery service.
Not by motorcycle. We just we have some contract to pass delivery service. So sometimes we need a super fast line, and we have the これもっとたくさんあるんですね。more fast line. Each line limited in the area, so we separate the bike line, motorbike line.
いくつか会社があるんでしたっけ？それとも一つの会社
によって契約エリアが決まっているので、データを分けないといけない。We have to separate the very fast line because the motorbike area is so narrow, so we couldn't cover the one line.
Okay. So it's basically the name which has been given to the distributor.
Yes. So one is Nitsu, and another is different, like motorcycle, and another would be different, like Kuroneko or some other delivery service like Nitsu. So we have three big delivery services, So one is Nitsu, which we use on business, and others are Kuroneko Yamato, and Sagawa Kyubin. So that kind of three kinds of delivery services are used mainly in Japan. And so, but our lab is in Nitsu delivery service building. So we use Nitsu mainly, and others, other delivery services are also used. But to deliver our products very fast, we use a motorcycle delivery for special clients, customers.
All right.
ということで、すみません、ちょっと止まっちゃいましたが、この場合は普通に宅配で。
宅配を選びます。
Okay. We select standard delivery for the current trial. Okay.
Label. データシートの名前ですね。
This is a label name for datasheet. The product. So sequence from the sequence information.
赤くなってるところ。
So
マイナス1ですね。計算ができないので。
Oh, so red ones cannot be calculated. Then the price shows only minus 1 yen.
Yes, Raghu, this is what my question is. JP OMS is identifying based on color combinations as well.
I don't think not color, just
Because
because
it is in,
I think
in-
it counts the number of sequence, the length.
that can also be plus if we see at those prices, all sequence have prices. The minus ones which indicate the color combinations which are in red color, and that to 25, 55, it is exactly replicating. So I suspect here even the color combinations are also getting identified.
南條さん、これって多分シーケンスの長さ数えてるんですよね。シーケンスから判断してるんですよね。シーケンス、配列から。
と思うんですけど、ちょっとその辺は。
まあ、わかんない。
おそらくそうです。エクセルの方はよく壊されちゃうので、色にならない。
お客さんに警告用でやってるってですね。So on Excel to remind the customer of invalid case, the background is changed to red. But just JP OMS identify the error from the sequence. So the length of sequence is not out of rules. Then because the Mars are counted in JP OMS, like for test 8 sequence, it has 25 more, and the page. Then the purification is page, and the sequence is less than 35. Then the JPOMS identify it's a long sequence. So it shows the special invalid price like minus 1 yen. So similarly, the next one, the 35 sequence, the length is what? Over 49 mar for software, then it is identified as a wrong sequence.
Okay.
例えば、ここで編集することもできます。
Oh, it is editable. This table is editable. And so 8 and 9 has an alert icon like explanation mark. This is invalid mark. Invalid icon.
例えば、ここを
Oh, okay. Verification can be changed. Oh, so this this can identify, and if the conditions are changed, and it becomes it becomes valid, then the icon is disappearing.
で、例えばじゃあこっちは、短くしますね。
So it got shortened. Oh, okay. So it's gone. The alert icon has gone. So this each sequence can have different conditions like verification scale, mods, delivery formats, and concentration as well. And OD, and OD.
So Raghu, let's consider when we make those changes in the sequence, those alert messages goes away.
Right.
Okay. So if those changes are not done and they are processed as it is, what will happen in such cases?
Okay. これってアラートついたままって取り込めちゃうんですか？
アラートついたままは多分確か取り込みのはずだった。なんか、いけるときといけないんですかね。で、OK しますか？してみましょうか。
はい、ちょっとスライドお願いします。出荷終了。
なので、終了が、
終了ってどれ？
終了がマイナス1なんですよね、ここが。
なるほど。
なので、価格は手で入れることはできても、終了結局ここも手で入れてあげないと、マイナス1っていう表記がある時点で全部埋まってしまう感じですね。
はい、わかりました。なるほど。So when the invalid sequence is imported, then as you see, the alert icon is shown. And when Mixon try proceeding with this order, then the alert popped up, and it said the yield is not なんだっけ。なんか終了が足りないんでしたっけ？なんか。はい。yield value is not valid. So yield is now set with -1. So that means the yield is not set. So the alert set yield is not set. So of course it is set with -1, but this number is invalid. So the alert came up.
So basically, the wrong sequence which was entered in the Excel file that got identified in the JP OMS, and in the table correction was made and then processed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So very smart. ありがとうございます。じゃあこれは
取り込めるようにちょっと変えちゃいますね。
Okay, she tried to change valid values in invalid field. So the alert icon is not shown anymore. Then the yield is set with appropriate number. そっか。もともと出荷終了っていうのは設定されてたけど、価格みたいにマイナス1って設定されちゃうんですね。
そうですね。終了が出せないというか。
はい、わかりました。
それで、
Okay, I'm it.
But Rigo, let's consider one scenario. Customer orders an invalid sequence. JP OMS identifies it and makes the correction and proceeds with the manufacturing.
Yes.
So will the customer be notified that the sequence you ordered is invalid and JP OMS made correction, or customers invalid will be automatically rectified and based on such thing?
Okay. Yeah, I talked about it with Nick-san before this is proceed. 南條さん、これってさっきの最初の話みたいに、お客さんに直接聞くのと営業さんに聞くのとがあったんです。基本、お客さんに聞くでいいですよね。
基本お客さんに聞きます。
営業に聞いた場合でも結局営業がユーザーに電話するいつも間違えるお客さんで営業が託されている可能性があって、もう自分の判断でやるときがある。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
でも、その後、E メールが配信されるので、その後、キャンセル、合成を優先して、キャンセルを受ける意味合いで営業で決断するときがあります。
なるほど。わかりました。なんか受け入れられるもの、なんか表面上は受け入れられないけど、いけるものもあるっていうようなことがかすかに言ってたんですけど、そういう場合もあるってことですか？例外的に作るみたいな。
それは汎用になることが。
なるほど。いや、あんまり例外に突っ込まない方がいいですね。これちょっとジェネラルな話にしましょう。Okay, Amit, when invalid sequences are found in Excel order sheets, then an operator will check it with a customer on the phone,
Okay.
and the correction will be done accordingly. Yeah. Sometimes, salesperson might be involved, but even in that case, the salesperson will call a customer regarding the invalid sequences. So the result is same. So result should be fixed by a customer.
Okay, Rigo, I got it.
ということで、はい、ありがとうございます。はい、じゃあそのまま取り込みでいきましょう。お願いします。Okay, order is imported.
そうですね。
これ自動的にこれあれですよね。この出荷日っていうのが今なんかセットされた感じですか？
はい、自動で計算されます。納期カウントというか、納期計算ツールに入った通りに、
はい。
ここに計算されます。
わかりました。Okay, now all the sequences are imported into JP OMS and automatically ship dates are calculated. So based on the rule on JP OMS for TAT calculation, take TAT formula, each of sequence has its own ship date. So I think the longer sequence has longer ship time. So lead time. So the ship date will be delayed than compared to other short-term sequence.
So Rigo, here the order has been imported to JP OMS. Now, where is the order number get generated now? The number what we see on the top 0030123.
Oh, okay. Yes. So that's the 0030123. So that's the generated order number by JP OMS, different from order ID.
Okay.
So when it is order is imported, then correctly, then the order number originated in JP OMS is generated here.
And this order number is not placed even in the staging DB table. This will directly go to the out table from where it goes to golems.
わかんないな。これ、ゴレムスって、この受注番号を使ってるんですかね？
どうした分、こっちはゴーレムスはこれでしかやってないので。
使ってそうですね、じゃあ。ゴリムスに送られるデータの中に、この受注番号が使われているのかなっていうところがちょっと
そしたらちょっと転送した後に見てみましょうか。
Okay, so we will see the
Good.
number is used when it is transferred to Gorimus.
Okay, so what I understood here, Roigo, is
Okay.
when we have two scenarios. When Ecom places an order, order number is generated and it comes to staging database. From here, JP OMS picks it and sends it to out table and it goes to Golems. Now, if JP OMS directly imports it via Excel file, since already one stage has been crossed, it will directly import the content and place into out table, from where our listener will send it to Golems.
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
because the special number like order ID is not generated when JP OMS imports an order. So the JP OMS must generate the unique ID to identify, and that is JP OMS oriented order number. So that is yeah. 0030-123. Yeah.
All right.
So of course, without ecom, our product can be produced in lab. So this number is only one to proceed with an order. So
yeah, go ahead.
So the algorithms have to identify this number because algorithms can show the order details to produce produce product in order.
Okay, now I have one more question, Rego.
Okay.
If an Ecom places an order, that also reach Golems, and if JP OMS processes order by Excel file, that also reach Golems. Now, Golems will identify what kind of order it has been received. Either it has received an Ecom order or it has received via this Excel order.
Yes. So the generated code like XML is the same as any same over any IMI orders generated in generated in ecom as well as generated in JP OMS.
So in such cases, can we treat such kind of orders as B2B orders? Because business to business, the order has been placed here. Instead of having a business to consumer mode via ecom, the business has shared an Excel file to JPOMS. JPOMS processed the Excel file and shared it back to business. So is this treated as B2B kind of business here?
I don't think so. Just we accept only order sheet from a customer, B2C customer, and so this order sheet is only used by B2C. So the B2B order is processed automatically based on a special format, and it might have different different fields items, but maybe it has it is identified as a B2B and processed as a B2B order. So completely distinct. An order is distinguished based on the code. But I've never seen the B2B order in the code, even in the code, of course. So, but of course, XML has a B2C, has a code to identify B2C, as you might, as you know. So I believe this, this order imported only from Excel without ecom also has B2C B2C code to identify.
Okay, okay. And this notification is sent to customer's account as well. How will the customer know that the Excel order has been processed, and will they get any notification or emails, or what is?
I think this is not yet notified. Just after this order is confirmed, then the order confirmation email will be sent to customer for the first time. でいいのかな。あと、南條さん、これって、 Excel ファイルをインポートした段階ではまだお客さんに
まだ受け書行ってないです。
してない
確
ですよね。
定もしてないです。
なんか処理関係のメール何も飛んでないですよね。
何も言ってないです。お客さんは、メール注文をしただけで終わった。
わかりました。Okay, as I mentioned, in this process, customer but does receive any emails after this process is finished, and that means order is confirmed. Then the order confirmation email will be sent.
OK。
Okay. じゃあ進めてください。
南條さんと望月さん、B2B の話ってメルクの受注とかってことですか？
そうですね。ファスマックとメルクですね。
ファスマックは関係ないけど、メルクはうちが OEM で受けてるから、データは同じように入れなきゃいけない。
これってでも受注システムとか返してるんでしたっけ？
返してますよね。そうしなきゃ入らないと思うけどのデータ。
本当裏で何かやってるのかと思ったら違うのか。その辺は分かんないな。
ただ受注化はメルクとか全く携わってないので、やってるのは納品書だけです。
確か平津さんが言ってたのちょっと聞いたことがあるけど、その時には確か機能は使ってるけど、裏で全部オートマチックで処理しているから、その受注化とか人の手は全く返さないで進んでるっていうような話をちらっと聞いたことがあるんですけど。
他の OEM があるけど。
他の OEM はまた別ですね。
別っていうのは取り込まない。
OEM っていうのは、メルクとかじゃなくて、
ごめんなさい、子供が。メルク以外は受注家さんが携わっている OEM があるんじゃないかと思っていたけれども。
ありますね。
それを望月さんは説明しないといけないと思うけど。
なんて説明すればいいのかな。あれ、OEM の商品、ここで、なんか OEM のシートがあるんですか？取り込む、そのお客さん、Excel みたいなやつ。それか、直打ちですかね。
OEM の先によってもやり方が様々です。
なるほど。じゃあ、それを説明すればいいかな。Okay, Amit, so in the Malk case, it is processed automatically without any operations here. But other OEM products are processed manually by an operator like Mixam. But OEM is processed differently from OEM company. So, and in this case, yeah, we are going to explain all the process of B2C order, and B2B is maybe should be explained in a different occasion. Okay?
But even B2B also uses JP OMS only.
Yes. Okay, I have to check it. Yeah. So, andミキさんというか、あれだ、こっちは、南條さん、OEM の受注
OEM
も
はメールだけですね。ウェブではないので、
全
部メール注文
メールでやるじゃないですか。で、受注システムに入力するってやつが、この受注システムがなくなったら、あれですよね、ODB で、やるっていう前提で言った場合は、それ用のフォーマットも作って、やるっていう必要があるってことですよね。
何らかの形で取り込めるようにするか、向こうにフォーマット変えてもらうか、ですね。
フォーマットとしては、なんだろう、入力項目はほとんど一緒なんですかね。あと、他になんか特別なのが加わったりとか、そういう感じ？
いや、それは OEM 先で変わるんです。サイトを使っているところもあって、サイトから注文したら、それが勝手にメールとして、フォーム入った状態で届く場合もあるし、
メールで届くっていうのは本文として届くってこと？
そうですね。本文に書かれて、で、それをそのまま取り込むと、勝手に読み込んでくれて、
そのオーダー XML の読み込みみたいな感じで、入れられる。
みたいな感じで認識して、取り込みができる
なるほど。
形で送られてくる場合もあるし、別のところは、フォームに入っていて、そのフォームを、まあ、Excel 取り込むみたいな形で取り込む場合もあります。
なるほど。まあ、ちょっと説明の仕方が難しいな。Amit, so the Mixon answered the OEM orders should be processed by JP OMS. So that means after JP OMS is discontinued, the ODB should do the same. So that means we will need to enable B2B order sheet customized by a variety of OEM customers.
Okay. So Roigo, I have one more question here. Let's consider JPOMS is if we have such all these features in ODB, even B2B or B2C.
Sure.
The B2B orders also processing is it the same format or it's a completely different environment?
Completely different. So some OEM orders come by email format. So email format has details of of an order, and then the JPOMS has a importer of email order, and then the automatically orders in email imported into JPOMS. But there are different cases like the orders are input in form and sent via email or sent via Excel format. I don't know how it works, but so Excel format is completely different from B2C Excel format. So the format is provided by an OEM company, or after the negotiation, the email format might be changed and fixed based on our order processing service, like ODB. So it is negotiable, but we need to have a discussion with an OEM company customer when we proceed an order with ODB instead of JPOM.
All right.
OK。ということで、はい。
すいません。何種類ぐらいあるか伝えた方がいい。
何種類あるの？俺も何種類あるのかなと思ったんだけど、ざっくり。
今、下はなくなったので、船越、バイオロジカはめったに来ないので。
でも、バイオロジカと。
一応、船越バイオロジカ、ジン、E マーケット、ダナホームも私、入社してからやったことないかな。
片手ぐらいです。
以外ですね。はい。
片手ぐらい？
片手。
片手ぐらいだね。Okay, Amit, so five OEM companies are using own format.
OEM means order management companies or what here?
OEM って何の略でだっけ？OEM って何の前の OEM って
外注っていうのはどう言えばいいの？
OEM なんか
調べる。
Original equipment manufacturing.
Original equipment manufacturing. Okay.
Yeah, so brand name is OEM companies, but producing in the different company like Eurofin. So we produce products for an OEM company, but OEM company will sell the product to a customer with OEM company's name, brand name.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, that's OEM. So some companies request Eurofin to produce products, but they sell products to customer directly with their own brand name. So
Got
no
it.
Eurofin's name in the products.
So basically, Eurofins is also part of OEM group of companies there.
Oh, yes. So yeah, so we hide our name on products, but some products are produced by Eurofins secretly.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe it's difficult to negotiate change the format to each OEM company. 結構難しい。
It's a business matter and because of business reason, the OEM company wants to use its own brand name to customers. So maybe they want to list more products to customers because they prepare all the useful products to customers. But some products cannot be produced in their own lab. Then some products will be produced in a different company, and they buy products from the company like Eurofins and with very cheap price. Then they make a benefit from it.
Got it, Raghu. So when Khizar was presenting ODB demo, we somewhere saw a feature that if the part cannot be manufactured in particular lab, it will be transferred to another lab to process it and then imported back to our lab. So is that the way this works here?
No. Just production location is only one here.
Yes.
Only Eurofins. But OEM company has several labs. Including other companies' product, other companies' lab.
Correct.
So Eurofin
Correct.
has its own labs and produced all the products from the beginning to the end in the same place. But some companies cannot do it due to the narrow location or equipment. So they partially outsource production to other companies and buy products and sell them to customer as their own brand name.
Got it, Raghu. Got it.
Okay, so let's.
別セッションでそういう OEM の説明はいります。
Do you need the OEM process for details?
As of now, no, Rego. But once we start all such migrations, then we may need to understand what OEM also does.
Yeah, of course. So we have to know each of own formats, and we need to consider we can make a common order sheet or common
Yes, Rego.
common
Yes.
system also to product effectively.
Yes.
Okay, so. Yeah, we need to do it later, but when we need it, then I will ask Mix-san regarding the details of OEM products, how ODM products will be processed in JP OMS.
All right.
Okay, good.
Is this the end, Roigo?
I don't think so. 南條さん、あれですよ。これで、あれですかね。もう中身を見て、またこの前と一緒で、
一緒です。中身間違ってないか見て、見て、で、
Okay, now Mixon is comparing an order in Excel sheet and in JP OMS, and yeah, if the items in OMS are correct or not. Yeah, so after that, it can be confirmed. Okay, so this is confirmation button, like the previous session, and then this is transfer button to Gorimus.
Yes.
これでも本番環境ですよね。
UAT です。
UAT か。
なので大丈夫です。で、
So now it is transferred.
Yes, this is UAT and transfer to UAT environment of Gorimus.
で、ここで初めて確定になります。これを送ったら。
So this is order confirmation email template. Then automatically order content is inserted like this.
で、ここで、仕様を変えましたっていうことを書いたりもします。さっきの赤くなってたところ。
なるほど。要は口頭で多分電話とかで話をするので、実際の Excel からは書いたよっていうのを一応書いとくってことですよね。
入れたりもします。
Okay, because the invalid items are changed by an operator after negotiation with on the call. Then she's writing about the change for a note. So 大体なんか入力するって感じですかね。
なんか通じるこんな感じの通じるような言葉を入れて送ります。
So the explanation is inserted with a description here, and just check the content of order.
And this is also editable.
Yes. Now she's she's checking, and so she is inserting a description. So regarding the change of invalid sequences. So because just Excel order sheet is not changed by a customer, then manually an operator changes the two sequences which are invalid before. So details those details are described in the sentence to insert in this email format. So that's why email format should be editable.
南條さん、ヘッダー、フッターが変更できる点の説明ってどっか別セッションでやったことあります？
この間なんか言いませんでしたっけ？あれ？木崎さん、この間なんか説明しませんでしたっけ？
説明したと思うな。
こういうふうに
それも同じよ。手書きだけじゃなくて、初めからオートマティカリでできます。ヘッダー、フッター変更が。
Okay. The header and footer are also editable, like the previous session explained in the previous session.
Yes, Raghu. I was able to see that.
Okay.
送っちゃいます。
お願いします。Oh, it has been sent. So the status is changed to confirmed. yeah, completed. Sorry, completed. And it is received like this. Yeah, so like this, customer has received the email sent by Miki-san here. Hmm.
で、こっちに5人ですね。
And Raghu, can we check whether it has reached golems from here?
Yes, now the Golems data confirmation application here. The data can be searched with this application like this. So the first number is order ID generated by JP OMS, and what date? Yeah, date update date of update. And the content is, this is an XML actually sent to Gorimus. So the order ID, looks the same. Order ID, so same as 003, so 003012. So as you saw in the JP OMS. And the others are also similar to order XML. But very simple. Looks very simple. And okay, SIP2.
Yeah. Slowly. Raghu, there you see the B2B procurement method punch out. So this was the question which I wanted to ask you here also. So what does this punch out orders means here, Raghu? Raghu?
I'm trying to say something, but
Mike.
it's muted. Sorry. Okay, so the procurement. Yeah, punch out. Yes. Oh, where is that? The B2B procurement method punch out.
Yes, Raghu.
I don't know the details. ヒロさん知ってますこのパンチアウトのやつって、調達方法ってやつですね。B2B 調達方法、パンチアウト。これでも普通にオーダー XML にもあるはずだな。
初めて見ます。
I think this tag, B2B procurement method with the value punch out is also placed in order XML. But I've never considered it well.
Okay.
But punch out is used for B2B, but I don't know it's used in Japan. It is also used in EBE order XML. So I wonder it is used.
Yes, Raghu.
Okay, so じゃあすいません。ちょっとまた、スクロールダウンしてもらって。で、ここでproduction order here. So summary in order XML. Yes.
And Raghu, how are the prices calculated here?
Calculated in JP OMS. So JP OMS has a formula to calculate the TAT based on the sequence purification and delivery format. I don't know how they influence TAT, but yeah, for surely the length of sequence is from the sequence, the TAT is calculated and input in the other ship date.
So ecom prices and JPOMS prices are all same, or will still there are any variations in this, Raghu?
Oh, good question. So the based on the customers, some customers have their own price table. So depends on the contract. So by salespeople, theどっちだっけ代理店となんか価格決めるんでしたっけ？どこで価格って決まるんだ？木下さん、価格って、
価格も代理店も、もう顧客管理に
どっ
持たせてますけど。
代理店は掛け率ですよね。だから、
いや、オリゴは掛け率も何も、もう、ユーザー価格も代理店価格も載ったテーブルがあります。ここから引っ張ってきてます。
どうやって決めるのかって話。
決めるのかはね、決めるのかっていう意味では、
ユーザー、結局代理店が絡んでても、ユーザーにそれを承諾取って、契約、仮の契約をすると。それはその営業の方で別のツールでする。別の書類で。
結局はそのネゴシエーションによって、ユーザー価格と、代理店の敷居価格が
変わる場合がある。
変わる場合があると。Okay. After the negotiation with the customer and the distributor, the end price and distributor price, like distributor price rate, will be fixed. So some accounts have their own price tables with end user and distributor price.
So which means custom prices only, no, Rego?
Yes. So currently we have only, we are going to introduce custom pricing. The custom pricing is put with sold ID, so not an account.
Okay.
So so in the initial idea, based on sold ID, all the prices are defined, set, and written in the CSV file, like pricing service.
Yes, Rego. So this prices is also connected with sold to as well here.
Oh. 南條さん、これって結局はアカウントに紐づいてるんですよね、これ全部。それとも取引先で決まるんでしたっけ、価格って。
アカウントとか取引先ではないんですけど、どっちも紐付けようと思えば紐付けられるし、
管理上は
デフォルトで。
ソルト ID に紐づいて価格をつけています。
なるほど。
基本的には。ただ、代理店によって価格違うとかもあるので、同じソルト ID でも。
なるほど。
ソルト ID が代理店だったらそうだ。違う。ユーザーの取引先に対してついています。特価が。
それで、
取引先でも中が分かれてたら。
で、中の、要はフォルダが取引先で、その中のファイルのユーザーがそれぞれ違う代理店を使っている場合があるってことですよね。
代理店を使っている場合だけじゃなくて、価格テーブルがさっき取り込んだときに3つぐらいバッと出たのあるじゃないですか。パターンがあるケースがあって、ある代理店のときには A パターンのカスタムプライステーブルで、次の代理店だったら、次のテーブルっていう感じのケースはあります。実情としてね。
なんて説明しようかな、とりあえず。Okay, basically, the prices are defined by sold ID. So sold ID is a basic has a basic price table. However, even in the same sold ID, some each of users might have a different distributor. In that case, the user A has the same price end price table, but the distributor rate might be different.
Okay.
はい。そんな感じですかね。
そうですね。代理店に限らずなので、何かの理由で、under some reason, sold ID has some custom pricing table, then manually customer service have to choose the each table by each situation in order. わかります？
Okay, so in the JP OMS, when order is imported, an operator will check the customer, and the customer has several price tables. In that case, an operator will select appropriate price table from the list, like three tables. So basically the sold to ID has a price table, and it is used for account with the same sold to ID. However, in JP OMS, account also can have its own price table differently. So the several price tables are listed. So in that case, when a customer places an order, and the customer has several price tables, then it is processed to review order, and then when an operator check the account and select appropriate price table but manually. Then it is confirmed.
So, Raghu, let's consider one scenario. Tomorrow, if we have the same feature in ODB and custom prices will also come in picture, then the discussion with the distributor or customer will not be there, or will it be there? Because prices will be driven by a different pricing format. It can be an IOP price or something else. Then discussion with customer will happen, and then a price will be decided, or we already have a pre-decided prices and then loaded. In such cases, how will it be run?
So the batch process should be prioritized at first, but there are some special cases, and so I don't know from the beginning we need to consider a special case, like sold ID. Some user have special price table different from sold ID's price table. So if we need to consider it from the beginning, we have to check how it is implemented. In addition to current pricing service. So I think the EBE system has CRM, which defines each of customer and customer's price table. So then each customer can have its own price table in addition to a regular price and pricing service. So accordingly, we might need the similar process. So we might have different price services, like current price services, and different price services like pricing database or something. I don't know it well.
Yeah. So I just have one more question, Raghu. Now let's consider customer A has a set price of some thousand yen or something.
Okay.
But when we make modifications in JP OMS depending on the sequence or depending on the type of customer, we can modify the prices even more further from the JP OMS. And those prices are spontaneous, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And the tax is also applied of 10% on that only, or how will it be that, Rigo?
Helpfully, yeah, peacefully and fortunately, yeah, all the tax is flat. So only 10% is
okay.
Yeah. So yeah, currency and the tax is always the same. Yeah, 10%. Of course, it might be increased, of course, but it is charged on any product. So yeah, it's not the various tax.
Okay.
南條さん、キャンペーンとかが適用になっているとき、例えば PC レディのキャンペーン実施しているときみたいなのは、説明は
まだしてないです。顧客管理の説明がまだこれからなので、
はい。
こっちになるかなと。
ありました。キャンペーンの時も ID に対して価格が2つになるとか、そういう状況になるんですよね、あれ。
キャンペーンの時は2つというか、あれは、価格を照らし合わせて安い方を適用してくれる作りになってます。
その複雑なのも ODB に入れなきゃいけないね。わかりました。伝えてください。
安いのを選ぶのか。あれ、なんかキャンペーンのセッティングをするとこがあるんでしたっけ？
ありますね。
キャンペーンテーブルみたいのがあるのかな。
キャンペーンの価格をつけるのがここにあるんです。これはお客管理の説明の時じゃないとできない。
そうですね。Okay, so Miki-san will explain an occasion when campaign is happening. Campaign is going. Then so based on the base price, the campaign rate or campaign price will be charged, and so as I mentioned, some customers have their own special price, which are much cheaper than regular price. So in that case, after campaign is applied, the prices are compared. So the special price and campaign price. So if special price is cheaper than campaign price, then special price is applied. However, so campaign price is cheaper than regular special price, then the campaign price is applied. So that kind of scenario will be explained in different session of Origo CRM system.
So that means apart from IOP prices, we have custom price, campaign price, and special prices.
Yes, special price and campaign price. So regular price. So regular price is applied for all the customers, but special price which applied on the sold to ID and campaign price. So at least three price tables are necessary. But I think the on ODB what is that? Yeah, Kaiser explains the about what campaign or campaign code? No, what is the code? So promotion code. Sorry. So like the promotion code, some promotion code can be provided by ODB system, and it's like a campaign price. But so I don't know, the campaign price should be treated samely as a regular price tables. So maybe campaign price is very used very limitedly. Then we might think about campaign price as a different system.
All right.
But we have to be explained by Miki-san regarding campaign price in Origo CRM system. Then we can dig it into what dig it out.
Yes, Raghu.
Yes.
But basically they are editable in JP OMS.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
JP OMS manage. Sorry, not JP OMS. Just Origo CRM. So JP OMS is connected to Origo CRM, and actually Origo CRM has complicated rules based on an account. So so JP OMS imports the rules from Origo CRM and applied based on it. Then they are all together, but the functions are separated. So JP OMS just to process an order. However, the Origo CRM has very complicated systems which have price table and distributor table and anything.
But CRM is still operational, Raghu?
Operational, yes.
It was about to get discontinued, right?
Well, yeah, we'll discontinue it because JP OMS is connected to Origo CRM altogether, and
Okay.
however, according to Miyuki-san, the Origo CRM is not connected to the internet and synced. That means we need to import rules in Origo CRM, and onto I don't know, ODB should import, but ecom side might import that system because ecom has an account list, and account each of accounts has properties and details, and then we can insert several more fields to to accept the customer's request, like its own price table or its own delivery slip or something. So so we accept customers' request as much as we can. That means all the requests applied in Origo CRM, because Origo CRM can manage a lot of complicated rules on each of customers. So that's why JP prepares for explanation of Origo CRM, which are a key of service level.
All right.
ということで、かなり時間が押してるというよりは過ぎているんですけど、多分1時間半でな。次回の回に回しますかね。オリゴはカーブ深いから。
の方がいいと思います。
そうですよね。
とりあえず、これはじゃあ、ゴレムズのデータのやつは閉じても大丈夫そうですか？あと見たいところありますか
？Do you want to see more about the Golem's data?
Yes, Rigo.
Can we close over?
No, you can share me the order number. I will see from the listener the order number.
Okay. You can memo it. Can you memorize
One
it?
second. Let me make a note.
Okay.
UAT, right?
UAT, yes. W030123123.
All right.
129?
123.
123.
Yeah.
1に3ですよね、最後。
3です。
はい。123, yes. Okay, so it's been over 1 hour and 40 minutes. Then we need to wind up the call.
One more request, Rigo.
Sure. Okay.
Can we have a copy of JP OMS in one of the servers? This server which I pasted in chat box. This is a QA server for JP.
So you have to request it to me, right?
All
So
right.
this is application matter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Operators cannot do it.
All right. I'll do.
Okay.
Do I need to translate it to Japanese as well, or just English should be fine?
Where in what?
When I request to Miyuki, it has to be in Japanese content, or English is also fine.
I don't think the application has English languages here in any field. So
No.
and that Google Translation doesn't work.
I'll check once with Miyuki.
Okay. Anyway, once you get any requests regarding the application, related to application, then the Miyuki-san will treat it, take care of it.
All right.
Yeah, just regarding operation, please ask Miyuki-san.
Sure.
Okay. So any questions?
No, fine.
Okay. So Monish, no Kaiser here?
Kaiser, he said he will go through the recordings because
Sure.
he didn't want to join in between.
Sure. Okay. Monish, okay? Are you okay? Any questions?
No questions, Rago. Even I think I have to go through recording once again.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's wind up the call, and the next we will the Mixon will explain Origo CRM, which is very important for us. Yeah, the most important might be.
Yes.
じゃあ、すみません、ありがとうございました。これでじゃあ、今日の分は終わりにしたいと思います。南條さん、ありがとうございました。広瀬さんもご参加ありがとうございます。Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Manish. Thank you for your time, and I hope that this explanation is helpful for us to improve our ODP JP system.
Right.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thanks,
So,
everyone.
okay, see you next time. Yeah.